Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to delete user with home directory using graphical user interface. That is in GUI mode. I am going to show you how to delete the user which has home directory. Okay, so I am logging as a user called Ramnathan. So I am going to delete the user called Java Forum which I have created previously in GUI mode itself without any command. I am showing how to delete you. Go to settings. So in settings, left menu users will be there. So unlock, click the unlock, provide the root password, then only you can delete the user, authenticate, that's it. So now I have logged in as a Ramanathan, going to delete a user called Java Forum. Click the button remove user. So delete files. So this will delete the user called Java Forum. Home directory also will get deleted. So now I will validate by logging off current user. See here only one user is there. So user Java Forum is deleted.